around the front row. Welcome, Mr. Novitsky.
I'm here to talk about the Virginia family court and family law system. Former Speaker of the House, Dick O'Neill, said all politics is local. And after some people were challenged here today, I don't know what I would have done because I was exiled to Maryland for 2 years after my divorce. I don't know how I could have talked to you to express my wanting a change to the laws. But anyway, all politics is local, as Dick O'Neill said, and I'm going to make this as local as I possibly can. If I asked each of you to stand up who has a child in their lives that you love, adore, want the best for, will sacrifice day in and day out to send them to a good school, to make sure that they're happy, loved, and cared for, I hope each and every one of you would stand up, be it a son, daughter, grandchild, a cousin even, or a niece or a nephew. I would hope, and I would, you don't need to stand, but realize that with the divorce rate climbing, at least half of those special children are going to come face to face with the divorce and domestic violence industry. And I hope each of you are paying attention to what Mr. Young said, because that's what goes on. That's the driver. The divorce and domestic violence industry controls things, and your special child, for at least one of you, statistically, math doesn't lie. It's like Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. One of you will have a child that faces that. And on that day, do you really want to look at that child and say, I did nothing because the divorce and domestic violence industry was more important to me than you? Do you really want to have to say that to a child that you love, that you care for, that you would die for? Do you really want to have to say that? My children know that I have done what I can. They're aware of what I've done to get more time with them. They're aware of how I fought. They're aware. They know. And they love me for it. Can you say the same about yours? I really hope so. I really hope that you'll actually try to do something this legislative session. There's something you can do that's real easy. Right now, there's a section of Virginia Code that has a whole laundry list of things that you need to change custody. All you have to do is say, instead of change custody, deny equal time. That's all you have to do. One word, change custody, and deny equal time in the Virginia Code, and you will have done something that shows your children you want to make sure they will still have the ability to parent their child, not be a weekend dad, not be like an aunt or an uncle.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.